Welcome to our YouTube channel, Madan. Today I am going to show you how to merge two or more than two PDF file on Windows 11 with the help of Microsoft Store. Now let's start. First of all, press Windows key and then search here Microsoft Store. Just click here and click on search app and type here PDF merger. You can see here merger PDF free app. Just click it here and the file will be, just click on get. After finishing, just click on launch. Now you can see here the PDF merger PDF free is installed here. Go to the PDF file. You can see here 1 2 3 PDF here with preview. Just close this one and add file here. Click here and then go to the proper location where is your PDF file located. Just select it and then just open it. After that you can open down of this file also like this. Now click on merge file and give proper location. I will select the desktop and then merger, click on save. Now you can see here the PDF file is merged. PDF merger 3, PDF merger, and then the another file. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.